friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Suli and this is an unforgettable confab. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey! Today's video is all about how you oral sex safely, whether it's blowjobs, rimming, muffing. You want to do this safely because you can pass STIs from mouth to vagina, anus or penis, and vice versa. So protection is key. The best way to be protected while you do these things is by using a dental dam. So basically a dental dam is just a barrier between you and your area of pleasure, whichever area you're going to be giving pleasure to. That dental dam will just create a barrier so that you do not pass or receive any STIs during your playtime. Dental dams can be hard, difficult to find, as I've experienced, but I'm going to be showing you ways in which you can create your own at home. And you're just going to need two things. You're going to need a condom and a pair of scissors. Normal trust condom and a pair of scissors. You can also use flavored condoms if you just want to cover up any odor, or it's more enjoyable if you like strawberries and the situation just smells like strawberries. And I'm going to use my strawberry flavored condom. So first thing you do, put on your thumb, roll it down a little bit, and then snip that top part like that. You don't need that anymore. Put your fingers through like so, and then you're just gonna cut it like that and roll it out. So it's also important to know that, or to be informed, if you're going to be fluid exchanging with your partner, that it's important to get tested for STIs. Most people just get tested for HIV, but it's so important that you get tested for herpes, chlamydia, HPV, and the list is endless. So talk to your partner and get STI tested. And now that we have our dental dam rolled out, it's going to look a little something like this. It smells good. It's strawberry. I love strawberries. And you're going to put your dental dam on your area of pleasure, the area you're going to be giving pleasure to. Whether it's the vulva or the anus, you're going to be putting the dental dam on there. You can use water-based lubricant or silicone-based lubricant. You just take your lubricant, either apply it on the vagina, the vulva, or the anus area. It's gonna make it a bit slippery and enjoyable for your partner. Or you can just put it directly on the dental dam. Not too much. You don't want to get it too slippery, because if it's too slippery, then you might not have control of it. If it's too slippery, it's going to move around, and you're going to find yourself having direct mouth to vulva or mouth to anus contact. So then that just defeats the entire purpose of using a dental dam. Another thing you don't want to be doing when you're using it is flipping it over. That just then why do we even, So you have it like that, and you'd be using your tongue, obviously, or whatever you are doing. And that's how you make your own dental dam. Now, another underrated thing is you can use a condom when giving head. Ladies, keep it safe. So you can use a condom as usual. If you do not want to be using a condom, then like I said, get STI tested. When using a condom, you would honestly just, as you would put it on for penetration, that's exactly what you're going to do. Put it on him as if he's about to penetrate. You roll it down a little bit. I do, however, tip that you use silicone-based or water-based lubricant, excuse me, just to provide that real life feeling. You would want to put a little bit inside the condom, inside there, pinch as usual, and roll it down your partner, or he can just roll it down himself. So what the lubricant does, it's going to give him that wet feeling that he would normally get from the mouth, but it's keeping you safe. And when you're about to penetrate, or just before penetration, you want to change condoms. Don't use the same condom you used for fellatio and for penetration. And just like that, we've come to the end of this very informative video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts and comments below in the comment section. A big shout out and a thank you to Scouts and Style for the swag. If you like my hood, the details to where you can get it will be in the description box below. So share this video with all of your friends. I can't wait to see you again next time. Mwah. Bye.